Hero MotoCorp has announced a price hike across its price range of two-wheelers from January 4th, 2022. The company said that the price hike has been necessitated to partially offset the impact of steadily increasing commodity prices. Prices of Hero motorcycles and scooters will increase by up to 2,000 rupees, and the quantum of increase will depend on the model and the market. Meanwhile, Hero announced a country-wide retail finance carnival offering exciting retail finance schemes to customers such as zero down payment, zero rate of interest, and zero processing fees till December 31st, 2021. Classic Legends Private Limited is all set to relaunch the Yazdi motorcycle brand very soon. In its latest social media post, Yazdi seems to have put out a tongue-in-cheek teaser of the upcoming resurrection of the Yazdi motorcycle brand, piggybacking on the latest film on the Matrix series. The company that manufactures and sells Jawa motorcycles in India and recently resurrected the BSA motorcycle brand in the UK will be introducing at least 2 new motorcycles under the Yazdi brand name. Both the new Yazdi motorcycles will be based on existing Jawa platforms, and one of these bikes is expected to be an adventure tourer. The other one is expected to be an urban scrambler. The third model, purported to be a roadster, may also be launched, which is likely to be called the Yazdi Road King. TVS Motor Company has announced the new race performance series born from TVS Racing's high-performance race machine lineage. The new race performance series will be introduced in the TVS Apache motorcycle lineup with the Apache RTR 165RP. The new offering is priced at 1,45,000 rupees ex-showroom. Production of the bike will be limited to 200 units. The new TVS Apache RTR 165RP will be the most powerful bike in its class with 18.9 bhp and 14.2 Nm of peak torque. The bike also gets a race-tuned slipper clutch, adjustable clutch and brake levers, TVS Racing decals, red alloy wheels and a brass-coated sprocket, and a 240mm rear disc brake. The TVS Apache RTR 165RP will be sold online.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.